Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Opera VPN not connecting is a common problem that stops you from browsing privately. You might see a spinning icon or an error message that says the VPN is temporarily unavailable. First, check your basic settings. Click the VPN icon next to the address bar and toggle the switch off and then back on. Second, try using a private window. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open one. This helps because it runs the browser without certain background tasks. Third, clear your browser cache and cookies. Go to your settings and select Clear Browsing Data. Old files can often interfere with the connection process. Fourth, disable your other extensions. Some ad blockers or security tools fight with the built-in VPN. Turn them all off to see if the VPN starts working again. Fifth, change your virtual location. Do not use the optimal location setting. Instead, manually select a specific region like the Americas or Europe. Sixth, check your firewall or antivirus software. These programs sometimes see the VPN as a threat and block it. Make sure Opera is allowed through your computer's security settings. Seventh, update the browser to the latest version. Go to the Opera menu and click About to check for updates. Finally, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable Wi-Fi signal will prevent the VPN from establishing a secure link. Restart your router to refresh your network. Following these simple steps will get your Opera VPN back online quickly and keep your data safe while you surf the web today on your personal computer.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.